Today we are doing something a little different. Instead of roasting degrees that bury you in debt and disappointment, we're looking at the bright side. Yes, there are degrees that are actually lead to solid salaries. No master, no PhD, no 10 years of postgraduate soul searching. Just a straight up bachelor's degree and boom, you're in for the money. So if you're trying to avoid lifelong student loan trauma and want a major that doesn't make your wallet cry, this video is for you. Before we dive in, if you're considering freelancing or looking to boost your income, check out my pinned comment and join my group. Good news, I'll be hosting a live session exclusively for my students about freelancing. For details on dates and times, make sure to join the group. Give that like button and a polite little tap, and let's dive into 10 degrees that can make you rich even without grad school. Number 10, construction management. You're not swinging a hammer, you are running the whole site. Construction managers make $95,000 to $120,000 with just a bachelor's. You'll be overseeing budget, timeline, and crews. It's project management, but with the bulldozer. And here's the kicker. Demand is booming. Housing, commercial buildings, infrastructure, you name it. We need it built. Bonus, many in this field climb up without a degree. So if you come in with a degree and some tech skills like scheduling software or CAD, then you're instantly top tier. Number 9, information technology, IT. Majoring in IT means you get to be the hero when Carol from accounting clicks on another phishing email. Entry-level roles like systems analyst or network administrator can pay $60,000 to $80,000, and with a few years of experience, you can hit $100,000 without ever stepping foot in grad school. Cybersecurity, cloud computing, IT project management, all open to you and hungry for talent. Pro tip, get a few certifications under your belt like CompTIA or AWS, and you'll be promoted faster than your Wi-Fi drops on Zoom. Number 8, industrial engineering. Industrial engineers are like efficiency nerds on steroids. They streamline systems and cut costs across industries in healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. The result, $90,000 median salary with only a bachelor's. You're solving real problems with math and process flows. And yet people will actually pay you well to fix their messy systems. Fun fact, industrial engineering have one of the lowest unemployment rates across all majors. It's a stealth wealth degree. Number 7, computer science. Duh. Of course, it's on this list. If you like problem solving, caffeine, and working remotely forever, CompSci is your ticket. Entry-level software developers can start at $80,000 to $100,000 mid-career. Think $130,000 and more, especially in tech hubs, or even better in remote jobs where you don't pay SF rent. You don't need a master's, but you do need to keep learning. Frameworks, languages, GitHub portfolio is a hustle, but one that pays. Number 6, actuarial science. Welcome to the nerdiest get-rich plan ever. Actuaries use math, stats, and probability to assess risk, and insurance companies love them. Entry-level actuaries earn $65,000 to $75,000. But once you pass a few of those certification exams, yes, they are brutal. Salaries can skyrocket to $150,000 and more, and this is all with just a bachelor's. You don't need grad school, just a calculator, a sharp brain, and the willingness to be the smartest person in the room of spreadsheets. Number 5, nursing, BSN. Forget the old stereotype nurses with a Bachelor of Science. Nursing can earn serious money. We're talking about $75,000 to $110,000 depending on your location, specialty, and shift. Travel nurses, easily $3,000 a week in high-demand areas. The best part? You get into the workforce fast. No need to grind through 6+ years like in med school. In job security, healthcare never sleeps. Neither will you, but at least you will be paid well for it. Number 4, business analytics. Data analytics. Data is the new oil. And companies need people who can dig into spreadsheets and tell them what's actually going on. With a degree in analytics, you could be earning $65,000 or more right out of school, and 6 figures within a few years as a data analyst, BI analyst, or product analyst. No masters needed, just Excel mastery, maybe some SQL, and a dash of Python. And if you can build a dashboard that makes execs look smart in meetings, then you're gold. Number 3, finance. Finance majors are the ones who understand how to make money work. And they are not shy about using that knowledge for themselves. Roles like financial analyst, investment analyst, and commercial banking associate pay $60,000 to $90,000 out of the gate. With a few years of experience or a CFA optional but not required, you can easily break $120,000 and more. Just don't blow your own budget trying to look rich after you are. Number 2, Management Information System, MIS. MIS is a business meet tech major. No one talks about, but it's one of the smartest choices out there. Think IT strategy system integration and data-driven decision-making. You'll speak both to tech and business, which means you get hired and promoted fast. Entry-level roles $65,000 and more, mid-career well into the 6 figures. And no grad school in sight. Number 1, electrical engineer, the king of high-paying bachelor's degree. Electrical engineers design and build the tech behind everything. Power systems, electronic hardware, you name it. Starting salary $75,000 to $90,000. With the experience, $120,000 and more. Whether you are working in aerospace, defense, energy, or telecom, this degree opens doors. And unlike some engineering disciplines, the pay stays high across all sectors. If you are willing to handle some math and circuits, the money will follow. So there you have it, 10 degrees that can make you rich. No masters required. Now, of course, none of these are get-rich-quick schemes. You still got to put in the work and build your skills and stay curious. But if you are picking a degree and don't want to spend your 30s paying off grad school debt, these are smart, proving options. Oh wait, by the way, if you're considering freelancing or looking to boost your income, don't forget to check out my pinned comment and join my group. I'll be hosting a live session exclusively on my students about freelancing. For details on date and time, make sure to join the group. And hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's video. Until then, this is Colette signing off with your Degree to Riches Blueprint. See you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.